Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested love and work forecast for October for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And friends, if you want to buy your personal 2022 readings, I've already done. You can buy from the website, but if you want to check the pick a card for 2022, I've already done it. The link will be in the timestamps, and October horoscopes in Hindi Urdu are already on the other site, other channel. Links are in the timestamps. So let's see. Scorpios, what is the theme of the month of October for Scorpios? Alright, the King of Pentacles, the Empress. Oh my god, so you're definitely working on your dreams, on your manifestations. Things are really, you are working for your dreams, your goals, and you're gonna feel like an emperor or an empress, like a leader, or like a, you know, this is a very, very good month. You're gonna feel very content, very happy, very satisfied. King of Pentacles, money is very important for you, friends. I see money coming your way. I see success coming your way. Pregnancy could also happen for some of you. Some of you may also be getting married, or talks of marriage will happen, or engagements will happen in the month of October for you, Scorpios. I see you working very hard on your dreams, friends. Yes. And the Queen of Swords. Oh my god, Scorpio. So, wow, that's beautiful. I do see that you will be very clear, very focused on what you want in October and how you want things to be in your work, in your love life. You have absolutely no doubt what you want. You will feel very strong, you will feel very confident, and you will feel very blessed. This is a month of blessings, of success, of new births, new arrivals in your life. And an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and an Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important, Scorpio. Another thing I'm getting is you will feel very connected with your mother-in-laws, or even with a grandparent also. I feel some of you will also be connecting with your star family, your spirit family, friends, in the spirit world. So you will feel very connected with them also, very blessed by them. And there is very you will feel very sure what you want, and you are very clear, and you will also see a lot of positive results. So you are definitely sowing the seeds of your future. You're working on new ideas, new things, and some of your new ideas will also bring you money. Like you start a business, like you start, let's say you start painting and you start earning from it, so money is coming your way. So it's a very good month for you, Scorpios. You are shining bright, and you are sowing the seeds of your future, working for it. You will feel very satisfied and accomplished also with your work and career. So there is all these are sitting, so a sense of power is also there. You feeling powerful, you feeling a sense of victory. Wonderful. Scorpios, how will their love life be? The Four of Cups again. All these people are sitting. Do you notice that? I don't know what's going on. All of you are sitting, So maybe you will be working a lot by sitting, This month you will be again. Not all cards in this deck are like this, where every character on them is sitting, but here it is. So yeah, I see you will be sitting down and doing a lot of work, achieving a lot of success. You are hard at work and you're going to achieve a lot of success. So you again. So Scorpios, their love life in the month of October. See, there are standing cards also. Okay, there were no reversals, but strange, we got a reversal. That's interesting. Love life. Nine of Swords for Scorpios, Five of Cups, the Strength, Three of Swords, Temperance, Nine of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Page of Swords. So let's see. So you start the first week of October, you're feeling very emotional, Scorpios. This is a time, excuse my throat, friends, just a little dusty here. So this is a time, the first week you will feel very emotional. You will also feel like, what if you had a lover, or what if you will have more romance, more love. So this is a very emotional kind of a week for you. And Four of Cups, yes, I do see you will someone will be taking an action towards you, making a move towards you. Your love life will be coming back on track, and this will bring you a lot of happiness. Somebody from your past is coming back and messaging you. Someone you were waiting for, they're gonna come and talk with you. Or if you were in a relationships and things were not moving well, or there was no emotional compatibility, you can expect some emotional compatibility and forward growth in your love life in the first week. So you are feeling very emotional, very content, and definitely your focus is on love, but you don't want to do anything for this love. You want it to come towards you. You want it like attract, come towards me, baby. So that's the energy here, friends. And you are sitting and somebody is coming and messaging you and things flying and again working between you. Well, the second week of October is a little confusing for you, friends, because you will have certain choice in love, in your love life. You will definitely have choices in your love life, and the choices are a new person, a past person could be there, or you have a choice. You are confused about your lover, whether to say yes or not, to wait or to move on from this person. So you will definitely have confusions in the second week. You will also have choices about love, about a partnership, or about a decision. And some of you are you will feel impatient with in this week. You will not want to wait. You will also feel like, why are we waiting? Is it time to move on? Is it time to you know I also feel someone may make you wait in the second week, like they are not responding to your messages, or suddenly the communications have decreased. So you have a decision here, and you may feel a little impatient and anxious also in the second week, but choices are available to you. The third week is also a little mixed bag of beans, friends, for you, because some of you will be disappointed. Your lover may do something that will hurt you and it will disappoint you. I feel if not your lover, their mother, family, mother-in-law, father-in-law may do something that will disappoint you. Some of you are having issues with a person and their family, like you want to get married, but their family is not agreeing, your family is not agreeing. So disappointment with family is another thing you will face in the third week. I also feel that your person or you could go through anxiety, depression, or certain sort of worries. You may feel very stressed about your love life or partnership in the third week of October. So, the main thing you need to remember is strength. Your relationships are very strong. You don't need to worry, Scorpio, so much. You can count on your love, your partnership, your relationships. You can count on them. Your love is deep and your partnership is trustworthy and deep also. So there will be disappointments, there will be some, I feel you may cry also, or you may feel a little nervous, impatient, like what will happen, in this relationship, what will happen, why is my person upset, why am I upset, what's going on. But remember, love will win. Love is your relationships are strong, they will win, friends. And some of you may also deal with health issues, either if your partner, they are going through some health issues, or you are going through some health issues. But remember, victory of health will happen. Those issues will be resolved. So, yes, when you start the final week, you're still a little upset with what is happening in your love life. Your heart is a little closed. You are trying to be protective of yourself. Your partner is also trying to protect themselves. But I do feel communications will open again. Scorpios, you might be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I do see your person is going through me. I feel like it could be you or your person. I feel like your person, Scorpio, is going through a transformation, a change, or some sort of a problem in their life. Like in the final week, also, they may be hurt, they may be sad, they may be disappointed, but they will still message you, and yes, this person will tell you, like, see, things, this is what is happening, and I'm fed up of it. Like, not problems with you, but problems, other problems in their life, like money, career, family, tradition, religion, gender issues. A lot is happening in their life, and that's causing them problem. Temperance, yeah, I do feel things will resolve, so you don't have to worry about it. Your person will come and confess and will share their problems or worries, and I think you will be able to resolve them. And Nine of Wands, yeah, this is not a time to give up on your partnership, Scorpio. This is a time to build your connections, to make them deeper and stronger. Let us see the advice for you. Advice for Scorpio. Okay, base chakra, yeah, ego issues can affect your relationships, friends. Also, some of you will feel like you need to get married, you need to have marriage, you need to have a baby, your family is forcing you. So, some of you are like, you want all those things, or somebody is like, it's you and your partner both want to get married, but someone is not, like family and religion, culture, distance is not letting it happen. So these things will happen. Another thing is the world. Yes, long distance could affect your connections, third parties could affect your connection. I also feel that jealousy may also affect your connection in this month, so try to be open minded and positive movement forward. Your relationships are very strong, so don't worry, things will move forward. Just keep an open mind, don't let your ego get hurt. Scorpios, I'm again feeling your partner could be going through some sort of a depression, anxiety, or health issue, or anger issues. I feel like they are going through health issues, and that will affect your love life. But try and remember, I send them your partner healing. But remember, things will move forward. You keep an open mind, okay? So let us see your work and career now. Oh, triumph, success is coming. Moving on. Choose wisely. Okay. Solitude and emotional loss. Okay, some of you are not feeling very happy with your work where you are right now. So you want to change your work, you want to change your career, you may be confused about your career. Definitely, you're not feeling very happy in this month about what you are currently doing, or it could be your current energy right now. You're not happy or satisfied with your work. I feel like even if you are satisfied, you want some more success, or you feel like something else can also happen, some expansion can happen in your work and career. So, what is the thing? Let's see. See, you will be getting choices, friends, in love, or sorry, in work, in studies. There will be other choices and options available to you in October, but you must be careful to choose the right one, because every path will take its course and it will have its fame and success for you, but it will also have its, choose the path that you connect with emotionally. That is what I feel. Some of you will be a little confused what to do and what not to do. Like, some of you wanted to give an exam, or you are choosing colleges but you are not getting your favorite college, so what to do? You choose the other one, right? So that's what you need to do. Some of you are definitely going to change your jobs, your cities, your careers. Some of you may even change the stream, like you were in science, you might take arts, you were in arts, you might move to telemedia, communications, or, IT or something. So you are definitely moving on from your past work or some current work or job. Also, I feel you will definitely be successful, even though anything you start new, you will be working alone on new ideas, new ventures, Some of you could be learning something new and it will bring you a lot of success in the future. So you are working alone and that will lead to a lot of power. Some of you will be studying in libraries. You might have to go to libraries because like you can't study at home, there is no peace around you. So some of you might be going to libraries or outside on your roofs or terraces to study. So yeah, but I feel the only thing that will affect you, this the negative will be, choose wisely. You will have options, but it is up to you what you choose. And the new things you start, they will have a lot of luck. The Empress, you will start working on a lot of new things. You are very lucky. Scorpios. So let us see some advice for you, Scorpios. Okay, ask and you shall receive. So friends, all you need to do is ask, because you are super blessed this month. Ask and you will be provided with. Yes, you are on the right path. I don't know what you were asking for, but the answer is yes. You are perfectly gonna get it. Romance and connections. So people are very important, friends, and connections and romance are important. Some of you could be getting pregnant or a childbirth is going to happen. So let's see. Okay, lots of cards are coming out. They just slide off these, cards. Let's take them. But they are very accurate also. July. Someone born in July is important, or July the month is important. Bag. Something important such as a new job or a raise is coming. So some of you could be getting a new job, a new promotion, a college, a new university, or money, your first job. Dolphin, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. So yes, your hard work is paying off in the month of October. Wishbone, your wish is going to come true. And work, achievement and success. You are a very hard worker, friends. In the month of October, Scorpios, you are working hard. Women with lighter colored hairs is important. So a woman is important, basically. Time to get out and have some fun. Grapes. Yeah, friends, I feel you will be a super workaholic, so make sure to take some time out and enjoy life. A period of ill health and depression. Yes, this message has come very, very less. I mean, like, this card doesn't jump out often unless it is necessary, and it is an important message. Take care of your health. I also feel someone around you could be having health issues, so keep that in mind. Forces working against you acts. Yeah, I feel some with you are discontent with your work, so you might leave that job or leave that office or something, like, or university or a class. You might ask for a change. Someone is leaving your life. Chair is empty. Yeah, I do see some opportunity, or some person might leave your life and something better will come its place. Dogs, getting together with friends. Yes, you will be socializing a lot with your friends. July and May are important. Flag, do not be tempted to lower your standards. I feel some of you may try to, remember, you are the Emperor or the Empress, Scorpios. Someone will try to leave you and then come back again in your life, but you should not, you should be careful. You should see, are they being loyal? Do they really respect you? So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.